Easy come, easy go. This popular proverb means that if we acquire something too easily, we may lose it just as quickly. It is a reminder to appreciate what we have and work hard to maintain it. But how can we apply this to our lives to bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed? Firstly, we can work hard and stay focused on our goals. When we achieve success through hard work and perseverance, we are more likely to appreciate its value and work harder to keep it. Hard work also attracts opportunities, which can lead to more success and fulfillment. Secondly, we can be mindful of our spending habits. It is easy to spend money carelessly, but it can be just as easy to save a little at a time. By being mindful of our spending, we can save money that can be used for emergencies or unexpected expenses. Finally, we can be grateful for what we have. Gratitude helps us appreciate the things and opportunities we have in life, and it also helps us take a positive approach to life's challenges. By focusing on the positive, we can face difficulties with confidence and determination rather than despair. In conclusion, the proverb, easy come, easy go, is a powerful reminder to appreciate what we have, work hard to maintain it, and remain mindful of our actions and choices. By applying this wisdom in our daily lives, we can bring luck, overcome difficulties, and succeed. Remembering this proverb in our daily lives can also help us avoid making impulsive decisions that could have negative consequences. It encourages us to think critically about our choices and consider the long-term impacts they may have. By taking a careful and thoughtful approach to our actions, we can make better decisions that benefit us in the long run. So let's embrace this wise proverb and use it to bring more success, happiness, and fulfillment to our lives. Easy come, easy go. Let's make sure we're always ready to work hard, appreciate what we have, and stay focused on our goals. As we apply the wisdom of easy come, easy go to our lives, we may face challenges and setbacks along the way. However, we should not be discouraged by these difficulties. Instead, we should embrace them as opportunities to learn, grow, and improve ourselves. Through hard work and determination, we can overcome obstacles and achieve our goals. And when we finally reach our destination, we can look back with pride and satisfaction, knowing that we worked hard and stayed true to our values. So let's keep this proverb in mind as we move forward in life, and let's use it to guide us towards a brighter and more fulfilling future. If you found this video useful, please rate it highly, comment, and subscribe to the channel.